Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. If you're diving into the world of dropshipping, connecting your Shopify with Spocket is one of the best ways to simplify your store's operations and offer top quality products. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how to connect your Shopify with Spocket so you can start adding products to your store and grow your business, and it's simple, beginner friendly, and we will have the store ready in no time, so stick around. If you have not already created a Shopify account, you can go ahead onto shopify.com and set up your seller store since you are going to need it to be able to sell products on the platform. After having done that, you will also need to sign up for Spocket. And to do this, you can search for spocket.co. This is the website that you're going to use to create your account. In order to have access to the free trial, you can click on Login on the right top side of your screen, and that will provide you with the options to log in or sign up with a Google account or a Facebook account. As you can see, this is the login option. So in order to create a new account, you can click on sign up and further specify the email address that you're going to use. And that's it. Going on forward, you'll be prompted with some specific questions in order to personalize your account. You can continue by answering these prompts, or if you'd like, you can skip it for now and perhaps manage it later. In order to claim your free trial, you would have to enter a payment method, whether it's PayPal or a credit and debit card. You can do so and claim your trial. Afterwards, the main and important step is done on Shopify. So hop on your Shopify seller account, and by navigating to apps, which is located on the left bottom side of your screen, you'd be able to search for the app that we are going to use to integrate these two platforms. To be able to view a wider range of apps that are available, you can click on All Recommended Apps and navigate to the bottom of the dialog box and click on Shopify App Store. This will provide you the App Store on a new tab. Here you can search for Spocket on the search bar right on the top. As you can see, the first search result, which is Spocket USA and EU dropshipping, is the one that you're going to use for this specific purpose. So you can proceed to click on install. And there you have it. Since you have already created your account, you can skip the steps as you have already specified it on your earlier steps while creating the account. And considering all this information has been filled out and you've claimed your free trial account for Spocket, you'd be able to have access to the main dashboard to preview products and be able to proceed with your dropshipping. So this is basically how you can connect your Shopify account with Spocket, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.